there, it's Genie. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw a cute baby lion. To draw a baby lion, follow these steps. Draw a big circle for the lion's head. Draw a smaller circle inside the big circle for the lion's face. Draw a big oval shape below the head to make the lion's body. Draw two small oval shapes at the bottom of the body for the legs. Draw two curved lines on the top of the head on each side to make the lion's ears. Draw some angled lines around the head and neck to make the lion's mane. Draw the lion's face by making two round eyes, a small triangle for the nose, and a curved line for the mouth. Draw some curved lines from the bottom of the neck to make the lion's front legs. Draw some small ovals at the end of each leg to make the lion's paws. Draw a curved line from the body to make the lion's back. Draw a long, curved line with a fluffy tip from the back to make the lion's tail. Erase any unwanted lines, or add any extra details as you wish. Now you can color. Baby lions, also known as cubs, are playful and cheerful animals that everyone in the pride loves. Subscribe to my learning channel and remember to like, comment, and share my videos. Baby lions enjoy having fun and discovering new things. They are always close to their mother for safety and affection. And they learn how to hunt and develop important skills as they grow up. They also love to snuggle with their siblings, making everyone happy. to give finishing touch. Outline the entire drawing with darker lines. See you in the next video.